But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything. Instead of simply sitting down and saying, you know what? I'll just have a filet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea, okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I want to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is an individual model. But I give you, this is the best way to learn. I'm allowing you to pick your weapon. I've opened my arsenal doors. So here it is. Look what I have here. Pick your weapon. But nothing changes when it comes to time. Time of day, these things occur at specific times, certain days of the week, certain weeks of the month, certain month of the year. I'm allowing you to bring your personality, your personal influence, because you're the problem and you're the last puzzle piece. See, some of you are sitting around here, you're writing diligent notes, you're doing this, you're doing that, and that's wonderful. But you're all waiting for that last penny to drop. The last ICT puzzle piece. And then it's all going to come together. It's all going to be crystal clear. Once he tells me this one PD, the 81 PD arrays, final last one. That's it. That's it. That's the Holy Grail. No, it's not. If you walked over to your mirror right now, look at yourself real quick. That's the final puzzle piece. And it's always been you. You're the reason why you succeed, and you're the reason why you haven't succeeded yet. And ultimately, you and you alone are the only reason why you're going to fail. That's not me talking down to you. That's me telling you the way it is. That's just the way it is. Are you coming to me for a constant dose of something new, but have done nothing with what I've already given you?
Oh, yeah. Come on, boys. Happy Monday, boys and girls. How the fuck are we feeling today, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button before we get started, boys and girls. Welcome in, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Bashi? What's up, Francesco, Mr. Nobody, Shamar, JK Jair, Trading Jane, Imran, GT Paris, Big Head Reef, Melda, good morning. Who else we got in here? What's up, Shri, Arbaz, Dynamite, McConnell? I think that's how you say that. What's up, Jason, Positive King, Frankie? Oh, good morning, everybody. What's up, Nika, Malik, Bismillah, James, Kvan Chan, Crosby? Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. And happy Monday, everybody. Brand new week here. Let me make sure audio looks good to go. All right, so we should be in the clear. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts here and get rocking and rolling here, everybody. So we don't have any news today. We do have a bank holiday tomorrow. And the tentative news for right now is CPI. There was more teasing from Trump over the weekend that the government shutdown deal is or the government reopen deal, I should say, is very close to being into effect. So who knows? Maybe the government will reopen this week. Maybe it won't. I think we're on like day 40 something right at this point. So it's the longest government shutdown in our history, I believe. So yeah, man, we'll see what happens with CPI. And going into the actual charts, first of all, you know what's crazy, boys and girls? So if you guys remember Friday we were going a little buck wild. I went full port mode on the one Tradeify Grand Cup account. And for the record, boys and girls, we saved that shit. We reset and we literally got back to where we were on the reset account. So right now my balance sits at 56,567, so 6,500 in profit again. Our team is freaking rising up through the leaderboards here, so that's kind of cool. We're number 8 now in overall top 20 balances. So that's neat. But anyway, looking at the price action from Friday, boys and girls, if you guys remember, I was buying essentially indefinitely. Just kept looking for longs. And sure shit, we literally reversed at lunchtime on Friday, and we literally retraded the entire move, the entire sell move. All I needed to do, boys and girls, moral of the story, just don't use a stop loss. That's all I would have needed to do. Every single trade would have been in profit. You know, I would have been margin called because I full ported, but I mean that's besides the point. Listen, it's not that I'm wrong. I'm just early sometimes. That's kind of what I'm trying to say here. I'm not wrong. I'm just early sometimes, and that happens. But anyway, so now what to expect? What can we expect going into today? Well, let's just analyze a couple things here on the higher time frames. Obviously, this weekly candle is a little bit funky just because of obviously the big sell-off that we had. We inversed here, kind of, at least this volume imbalance, but we didn't close, you know, fully inversing the weekly fair value gap, really just a full rebalance there. Looking at the daily, if you're looking for PD arrays here, I'm not really sure how much I would trust this OB right here. It is there, but I'm not sure I'm really trusting that to necessarily sponsor another leg down, but it could happen. And then obviously in the 4 hour, we are in a BPR as well. So we did get a Sunday and so far into Monday pump. Market just opened up, by the way. Which is kind of what we've been getting, honestly, for these weekly expansions lower. We've been getting early week movements up, and then we see the rest of the week expand lower. So that is one thing that we could be aware of, obviously, going into this week. But yeah, we are in this 4 hour BPR right here. And obviously lines up with that daily OB if you are looking to potentially use that for lower prices. We'll see what we want to do. Obviously, new week opening gap. We trade down into it here last night. We get a rally up into here off of that. And, you know, we'll see if we want to get a trade back down to there. Let me check the 4 hour again. Yeah, I mean, so we're leaving a lot of inefficiencies open here in the overnight session. So could I see a retracement down into here? For sure. And obviously, if the only thing that's been offered so far today has been upside, then I definitely kind of like the idea of a manipulation up to then come raid all of this, right? So just kind of looking at all of this as low resistance potentially, and then see a run back down in here would make sense to me. Just looking at the overnight sessions here. Yeah, so we're getting a manipulation right now above session highs, right? So London highs right here. Turn this on. Turn our handy dandy indicators on, boys. And yeah, man, so that's kind of what I'm thinking. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the chat. That's kind of just what makes the most sense to me at the moment. Looking at the poll, we got what, 60% bullish and 40% bearish today. I am going to be trying out, instead of Replicanto and NinjaTrader, I'm going to be trying out TradeSyncer today. So I'm going to give it a shot. It seems like a lot of the issues have been cleared up, so I am going to give it a trial run, boys and girls, in real time here. I'm going to try to, right now I've got everything obviously set to copy trade like normal. I do have the Grand Cup account double ratioed, so it should risk double whatever I risk on my lightning funded accounts here. So we'll see how it goes, man. See how it goes. Let me know you guys, let me know what trade copy you guys use. Is everybody in the chat? I did a little poll on my YouTube trying to see what everybody's using here. Obviously every trade copier kind of has its different pros and cons or aesthetic to it, so excited to give it a shot, man. Today I am 1 hour late. I am not 1 hour late, Mersal. It's called daylight savings time, and it happened a while ago now. Over a week ago, actually, Mersal. So, I see we're back with the intelligent comments yet again, Mersal. I gotta give it to you. You are consistent. You are consistent, my friend. But that's why we love you. That's why we love you, Mersal. Is it possible to copy trade, Tradeify, and Top Step? Yes. Whether it's through Replicanto. Well, actually, no, you can't use Replicanto anymore because you can't get Tradeify or NinjaTrader. It's only Project X. So actually, I think TradeSyncer might be the only one that would work. I have not linked my XFAs to this yet. I gotta get like an API key or something to add these or add those to this. Thanks, Nowies. I love you too, dude. Dude, that's a dude. Oh, come on. Did I see the trading view competition? Yeah, I got the little pop-up on here. I just exit out of it. They do that like every year. I don't know what it is, to be honest. Do many traders stream on Twitch or YouTube the most? I think YouTube. I don't know. I've thought about multi-streaming to like Twitch or Kick or something, but yeah, no, I think YouTube's kind of just the main, seems to be the main hub for trading. What's up, Soné? Good morning. Nazar says TradeSyncer's ass. Yeah, they had a lot of problems in the past. That's why I didn't ever use them or promote them. But they seem like they've cleared it up, so I'm going to give them a try and try it out for myself. I'm not like going to full-blown promote them or anything just yet. As long as everything works smoothly, though, maybe. We'll just see how it goes. Isn't this playing off a real nice short distribution after 10 a.m.? Taken in, you read my mind. Yeah, that's kind of what we're hoping for here, to be honest. To be honest. Yeah, you can use the Tradeify free copier as well. It's just, I guess it's personal preference. What you like to use. I don't really care for the Tradeify platform, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it is a little bit more spendier. TradeSyncer is a little bit spendier than Replicanto because Replicanto is just a one-time purchase, but I mean, I wouldn't call it expensive though. It's like what, 49 to 149 bucks depending on what plan you get. It's a write-off. That's the beautiful part, boys. Is like everything you do, it's just like it's a write-off. Write-off. You see, the IRS, they allow for T&E. T&E. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, they allow for that. We've been doing a little too much of this with PJ Entertainment. It's crazy, Pops. I'm telling you. It's just like one day, it's just like everybody was bald from the eyebrows down. It was like lasers. Really? I never minded the bush. Anthony, what's up, Anthony? First day on the 5 XFAs. We'll get money out of them. Mark my words. All right, Anthony. Good luck, dude. Trade smart. No, I'm not switching, Mercel. I'm just giving TradeSyncer a try. When I was looking at trade copiers, TradeSyncer was actually kind of my first choice because it's one, it just looked sleeker, and you could do more with it, I thought. But they just had a lot of problems from what I could tell. So I just was like, nah, I'd rather have something, you know, more credible and reliable. There's nothing wrong with Replicanto whatsoever. Like I said, I'm giving it a shot. Maybe I won't like it. Maybe it'll give me all sorts of problems. And I'll be like, what the fuck? You know? We'll find out. But how can I give an opinion without giving you my own experience, right? I'll do it. I'll try anything once. Well, that's what my uncle told me. What do you do? Yeah, we're just this is really setting up what would be nice for a 10 a.m. reversal down. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, hopefully, would be nice. My targets probably would just be London low. If we can get such a thing. I'm gonna delete the 4-hour BPR from my chart just to keep things clear. We all know it's there. Well, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, let me know where you guys are at in the Tradeify competition. Knockout week started. I'm at 17 in our team currently, and I'm like what am I at here? 480? Yeah, 480. It says only the top 4,800 traders advance to tomorrow. So I am good there. You don't got to like push it too hard, but obviously like as the week goes on, like the bottom 30 are going to get knocked out. And I'm thinking that you're going to have to make 14, 15K on the account to get into the top 200. So that's obviously what I'm going to be shooting for. So yeah, man, should get fun, should get exciting. Obviously, we got the bank holiday tomorrow, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. That's why I'm kind of looking at this week as a little bit shortened, and then obviously we don't know if who's to know if the government shutdown ends this week. That's kind of what's been being teased. We would get CPI, and then obviously that throws a wrinkle in things for the week as well. But yeah, tomorrow obviously we got Veterans Day, so I'm not really like expecting to trade tomorrow, if I'm being honest. Yeah, let's we'll drop down here. Is there no first presented fair value gap yet? This is 9:30 open. We have no 1 minute fair value gaps left after 9:30. Well, you can't restart anymore, taken in. You could restart up to 3 times for week 1. And now you cannot restart anymore. And then I believe after this week, whoever makes it to the top 200, it's a brand new competition, essentially. So I don't know if it'll necessarily matter for the people that are like all the way at the top of the leaderboard. They'll have to try to do it again. What is it? 941. Any crazy boys? All I had to do is just hold those longs from Friday. No stop loss. That's all we needed. Son of a gun. What are we at here? We're almost 2% up on the NASDAQ right now. Oh, XRP up 7%. Hell yeah. Solana up 2. Biddy's back at 105. Elio says, should we buy? Yes, you should buy right here. Not financial advice. JT says, Tyler live, no news Monday, trying to get wrecked chat. Yes. We got no news Monday. Well, it's like government shutdown, so like everything's been no news pretty much. But yeah, no news Monday. We got bank holiday tomorrow. We got a tentative CPI Wednesday. Should be a hell of a week. For better or for worse, we'll find out. But nonetheless, all I know is the chat right now is 56%, 57% bullish. So actually not too lopsided, but more bulls than bears. Might not even need to take it to London low. I mean, shit. Should play this opening range. See what happens here. I'm interested in shorts if we can get them. Just don't want to be, as these candles keep flipping bullish. Just don't want to get induced early. We could really grind this all the way up till 10 and then flip. 44. We got a new 15 incoming in a minute. The only weird thing is like looking here, it's like obviously we're in this daily OB propulsion block. I guess I don't even know what you'd consider this, but and now we're working into this 4-hour OB. These would be the only levels though that's like we're gonna find like a key level that we trade into and then respect. I'm just gonna mark out. We are hitting the wick of the OB already. Maybe I'll just mark out the... $500 points up and still want to buy. Yeah, I don't know. What's funny is if you buy it up here, you'll get people in the chat that are like, "What the fuck are you doing buying up here? You run a deep premium." And then if you short it, people are like, "The trend is your friend, bro." Oh, I love it. What's up, Amazon store? What was your name again? Amazon store? Hisan or something? Atmanand. Atmanand. Yeah, I'm going to call you Gregory. That name's a nightmare, buddy. All right, new 15-minute opened up. And we immediately manipulate the 15-minute high. We'll see what kind of reaction we get. For those of you guys asking why bearish, I've already outlined it pretty much, but I'm just looking at this from a power of 3 perspective. Like, all we've done so far is go higher. Asia, London, so far this morning. Like, it's not going to go up forever, most likely. So I'm looking for this to be accumulation, manipulation, potential distribution lower. Only buy side's been offered so far, so. Oh, let's see here. Our first presented gap is right here. Finally, right? I don't want to hear anyone say, we got a 2-tick gap here. I'm not counting that. Fuck that gap. I ain't gonna do it. When do you plan to enter? I'm waiting to see some sign that we're ready to reverse. You know, that could be as soon as this inversion, to be honest. But I wouldn't mind if it let us. I wouldn't mind if it let us wait till 10 either. Like, if we do get an inversion here before 10, I'm gonna feel a little bit less certain about it. Now, if we could get price kind of going sideways and then another high around 10 a.m. and then we flip it, I would feel a lot more confident. But I would probably still be willing to give this a shot before 10 if we get it. Holy fuck, buddy. All right, buddy. Just sell it off. Just sell off. Just go the whole way. Fuck it. I'm gonna get ready to short. I'm thinking here, boys. Oh. God, I don't love that. No, I don't love that. Hang on. I'm holding off, I think. I didn't like that wick up. So you want to hold this maybe and then play it, but... Alright, I'm going to give this a try, boys. I'm in with 1. Stop at the high. Yeah, honestly, I'm probably going to try to take this back down to opening range low, which would be here. Or maybe just 930 open. Yeah, macro is coming in here. Is my short tool working yet? Ooh, there we go. Or is it going to do the thing again? It's doing it again, bro. Come on. Oh my gosh. That's so annoying. How is that not fixed yet? How is that not fixed? I might just go break even after that. That's a fast move. Are we leaving anything behind up here? No. I'm just thinking that we could potentially still bounce from here and do another new high going into 10 a.m. Right? Like if this is just an immediate rebalance. Look at this 5-minute flipping. Yeah, I kind of think it's going to flip this 5 minute and probably take me out break even from the looks of it. We will see, though. Might give it to us. Five minutes going to close in 40 seconds. Still holding up here. That sucks. 5 minute, yeah. That's crazy. I don't know. You guys think we get another new high here at 10 a.m. or no? What do we think in chat? Yeah. Taking out break even there. Yeah, that'd have been a nice quick move. Fuck. I mean, I hope it doesn't still play out here, but you guys can kind of see why I'm like, maybe give this some time, but We will see what we get here. That would be obviously pretty rude if it wants to hold now, but... Top step messing up again is what you guys are saying in the chat. Bro, does Project X just have issues every day at this point? Like, I feel like it's a recurring theme in the chat. I literally haven't traded it in, I don't know, like almost 2 weeks, or 2 weeks probably, yeah. So I don't know. Should I just throw a trade on just to see what you guys are talking about? All right, guys, we got a new hour incoming in 2 minutes. Looking like it is going to put in a new high here potentially, so looking like a good break even. Macros are not real. All right. Stupid comment of the day already goes to Z trades. I mean, it looks like the market's moving in the macro here. I don't know what you're talking about. Just because it doesn't hit your TP. You say it every day. Do you really? Z trades, I almost put you in timeout for that. All right, so a new high, good break even. All right, let's see what 10 a.m. can bring. New hour in less than a minute here. Hitting, obviously, this 4-hour OB still. Still like lower. Your favorite trader, TJR, had a 3-day combine about trading and spent the last 2 hours of day 2 on sales pitch for his 5K course. Yeah, anytime you see anybody do any sort of free funnel, it's always to upsell you at the end. All right, hour just closed. See what 10 a.m. wants to do. Would prefer it to take out the hourly high first and then roll over. Honestly, if it doesn't, though, bro, we might... If it doesn't, it could actually come... Do something like this. Take out this low and then go higher again. SMT with ES. All right, so that's good. We have SMT at the high. I'll probably reattempt this if we inverse here. Dow Jones is fucking tanking. Yeah, it's crazy. YM already sold off to back below opening prices. Closed pretty bearish on the 15. that new week opening gap. Awfully wiki here. If we get this inversion, I'm going to attempt a short again. First short attempt, stop break even, was a good break even. I just hope I'm not going to get like left behind waiting for a 1 minute candle closure. Just don't give us a Drake candle, please. A Drake candle, you heard me. Really? We're gonna hold this? I don't know. Hand off the mouse for now. Gotta wait. Bull flag all in longs. Go for it, Pip. Go for it, Pepe. Good luck, man. Maybe it might just work for you. The shorts don't seem to be ready yet. So. But yeah, plan right now is if we get this inverse, some short, I'm going to go break even at this low here. Be good partial if you want it, but I'll be looking to target opening prices. What does our opening range gap will look like today? Ooh, just like that. A Drake candle is a BBC, a big black candle. A BBBC, a big black banana candle. Yeah, boys, this is holding up here. Macro's coming to an end. This might just be a little grind or accumulation here into 10 a.m. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Yeah, that's why it was tempting. I'm looking at this. I'm like, do I get in before the inversion just to try to front run it? Glad I didn't. That would be frustrating. Yeah, it sounds like everybody's Top Step X is having some problems, man. Not sure. My candles look fine, though. I got it pulled up. Oh, never mind. The 1 minute chart looks fucking whack. The 5 minute chart looks good. Yeah, the 1 minute chart is not correct. Something's wrong with that. Still like lower though. I'm not gonna look for longs. The longs are out of my wheelhouse right now. Absolutely out of the wheelhouse. So we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait, chat. Yeah, should we do a refresh of the team? See where everyone's at. Did I go up? What was I at? 17 or 18? I went down. Fuck. Should have taken profit. It did copy trade accurately, by the way, boys and girls. Maybe should have gave myself a little bit of extra points on the slippage or on the commissions or whatever, because I'm down like $10 technically on the break even, but 478. I went up on this leaderboard, but I went down on this leaderboard. I wonder if that 14, 15K benchmark for the top 200 will shift. It's just so interesting. You don't know how everybody's playing it up there, right? Like, I mean, I'm just thinking if it were me and I was top 200 right now, let's say I was 15K in profit, bro, I think I'm chilling. I think I'm sizing down a little bit, if anything. I'll still take good trades, but I'm being real patient, real picky. Imagine being somebody in the top 200 and they're just like, they feel like they need to get to the top of the leaderboard this week, so they start pushing it like crazy and blow up. Ugh. Michael, what was wrong with Friday? Dude, it ended up being a wash for me. I mean, I literally made back. I made back where I was on the Grand Cup in my reset account, so no harm, no harm, no foul. Minus the $35 reset. Nvidia up 4. It looks like it, yeah, 3.8. What's gold doing? Are we out of this 4-hour range yet? Oh, we kind of are getting out of it a little bit. Equal highs right here. Daily FEG. Oh, that looks good. Gosh, I wonder. All right, another new high here. There's the hour. Well, there's the hourly high finally being taken on NQ. This is the fair value gap that sponsored the high. So if we inverse this, this looks really good. See if it happens. If not, I'm gonna go get a refill of a cup of Joe. Ah, man, oh man. You went to wrong settings in the Tradeify by mistake. What's up? Oh, what's up, bro? Who's a real G that's sending turtle soup shorts right there? Let me know. Who's ballsy enough to do that? Nika, where you at? You know, someone somewhere's doing it. No, Lang, don't do it. I was just joking. But if it works, then I wasn't joking. Oh, yeah, there you go. Another high. Yeah, boys, I'm going to stay patient here. Oi, oi, oi. You put the weed in the coconut to light that the shit up. Put the weed in the coconut and I light that the shit up. Nika's waiting. You listen, guys. She says she's waiting, but then when price is down here, she'll send a screenshot in the Discord about how she got an entry up here. Nika, don't do that. You know what I mean? It makes everybody feel, it makes us all feel inferior. It makes us feel emasculated, you know what I mean? Like, how's a woman gonna get a better entry than me? My misogyny starts flaring up. Like, I fucking start having an attack, actually. No, I was just joking. You can send... No, send the screenshots. Send the screenshot. Oh, brother. The question really kind of comes down to, what is this hourly candle going to do? Right? Because obviously if this hourly candle flips bullet or bearish, ideally you want to be positioned around the opening price or in the wick of the manipulation. But I don't know if this hourly candle... Do you guys really see this hourly candle engulfing the previous hour? Yes or no? I don't know if I don't know. I'd love to see it though. I would love to see it, you know. Still got SMT present with ES. There's that Drake candle we were talking about. There's the opening price retest. I am waiting for the inversion. Yeah, that's what I marked out as my first percentage fair value gap. I might be wrong about it today just because there's like a little one here. It's like less than a point though, so I didn't mark it. Yeah, definitely forcing everyone to be patient right now. Which is fine. I mean, because by the time it sets up, we want it to be a smooth, like low resistance type of a move anyway. You know, you don't really want to be sitting in this. Let's see if this holds though, right? Here's the OB, changing the state. On the 1. After hourly high was taken, so. Just holding this gap though. Soon this will flush? Maybe, Danny. Maybe. It's kind of an awkward time now. 10:18. But could be what we're looking for here. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to avoid being in this. If this is going to continue for another 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Because this is not going to be fun if it stays here. But just don't sell off without us completely, you know what I mean? I don't feel fucking hot about this, bro. Right when you think it's about to give it to you, it wicks and takes out these lows, and we're right back in the range. Yeah, this gap is like a brick wall right now. This gap is like after your second cup of coffee, but your trade is about to set up, and you're just like, you know what I mean? You're just like kind of clenching because you're like, you know what I mean? You gotta run to the little boys' room, but like you can't leave the charts right this second, so you're just like holding it. Like that's what this gap is doing right now. Like a little turtle, you know what I mean? Like the little turtle popped its head out, and it's like, ah, no, go back in. We're almost about to get our entry. Well, the CISD did sponsor a new low here on the 1 minute structure, but yeah, we are range bound, boys. Yeah, wouldn't it have been nice though in hindsight if we would have got that just full delivery on this move initially? Oh man, we'd have been golden. Shucks. Not that lucky, huh? What would my stop loss TP and entry look like? It would, well, now it's going to look a little different because this is looking like it's about to put in another new high. So this structure might be not what I'm looking for anymore. But yeah, essentially it would have, like, if we would have got the inversion here, would have, if the short tool will work, it would look something like this, you know. Bro, I don't know why it's doing this. It's so annoying. Why is it? Is your guys' trading view short long tool still doing that? Like, come on. You're ruining it. You're ruining the aesthetic. Just snap shut. Crazy. Am I going to trade tomorrow? I'm thinking probably not. So yeah, I just don't see why price action would be like out of nowhere good tomorrow. It's bank holiday. Do we have, is it shorter hours? Does anyone know? Most forex brokers, or is it a half day tomorrow for futures market? Does anyone know? Hang on, I think probably I got an email from, I'm thinking at least one prop firm probably sent an email. Let me see. That one doesn't tell me anything. Nor does that one. What the fuck? Is it just normal trading? Is that why? Does nobody know if it's a short day tomorrow, or is it normal trading hours? Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything that says otherwise. Well, boys, hey, listen, get yourselves cozy, get yourselves comfy. Quit looking at the chart like Biden. All right? The more you look at it like this, it doesn't help it. I've tried it. Trust me, I've tried it many times. It doesn't really help. If you've blown up any accounts in this chop right now, hey, listen. If this doesn't make you feel better, I don't know what will. But if you blew up any accounts trading in the range, we'll give you some 5 big booms, all right?
Boom! 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 Boom!
So hopefully that helps. Just whatever you do, don't stop the fight. I like how he does the Nazi salute as he exits the stage. Oh, man. Another new high here. Holy shit. That actually made you feel worse, Tempo? Damn it. Tempo, does this help?
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Yes or no? Cupboard Dweller. Where you been, Cupboard Dweller? I feel like I haven't seen your name in the chat in a while. Well, that's good. I properly pissing yourself is better than improperly pissing yourself, so I am happy to hear that. Cherry says, I started trading last month. I see price action this month. Like two disgusting men. I think maybe you meant man there, but that's made me want to throw myself off a large building. Appreciate it, Tyler. Hey, absolute goat. So this is you right now. Listen, I'm just gonna fucking spam memes at this point. Like what? Oh, cheers, boys. Yeah. Yeah, one more for good measure.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
All right. Well, now, now what? What's up, buddy? I'm so curious as to know what this is going to look like as traders start to really try to send it. I feel like I went up from 20 to 19. Who's still left? Who's still left in here? Should we go through the overall leaderboard and just see where everybody's at? I went up to 470. Okay, so I've done nothing today. I've gone up 10 spots. If anything, I'm down $19 on the Grand Cup account because of the break even on 2 minis there, but I've gone up 10 spots. I mean, don't you guys feel like, though, like anybody that is a quote unquote trading influencer, or like just, I don't know, anybody that's out there in the public, I guess, that's trading, and especially those folks that have like mentorships and private groups and all this stuff, it's like, shouldn't they be on the leaderboard in some fashion? Like, I'm not saying they got to be winning the thing or anything like that. I think obviously there's a lot of luck, a lot of full porting involved with some of the people's success thus far, but like, don't you think they should at least be in the conversation going into the thick of things? Or is that no? Is that unreasonable? I feel like that's not unreasonable. Presley Wincoop up 83K. He was actually up 95,000 yesterday. He lost 12K today so far. But he's still fucking sending it, I guess. Buddy is, and NQ is still sending it. Like, everything's still sending it right now. Let's see if there's any names in here. Let's see. Anybody we know? Anybody we know? Anyone? Nope. Diamond Hands. Don't know who it is, but like the name. Nobody. Cheese Balls at 59. Bro, I don't know any of these people. Fat Cat Futures. Oh, that's funny, bro. Number 117. I can't trade. Hell yeah. What are the odds that they trade ICT? That's funny. Bro, where is... I haven't seen one name that I recognize. I love Pinky. Don't we all? Dang. Where the fuck is everybody? Really? Crazy. All right, so I went through the whole first 200. I didn't see a single name that I really didn't see a single name that I recognized. What the fuck? I'm even looking for like the Tradeify gang, right? Like, wasn't Joey Morgan up in here? He was like top 200. Wasn't Rebecca Trades up here too? Now where are they at? Where are they at though? Where did you go? I miss you so. Feels like it's been forever since you've been gone. Please come back home. Hey, at least our team climbed up. I don't know how that happened, but our win rate went down, but our balance went way up. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. If only the top 400 make money, Lang, but the top 200 move into the next round. The top 201 to 400 get 300 cash. Well, let's be honest. Like, what's 300 cash going to do for you? It's time to, you know what I mean? It's time to go for it all or go down swinging. I think that would actually be the worst. Like if you ended up in the competition like 201, that would be the worst. I mean, I agree, VS. It doesn't really prove, like, it's not like an end-all be-all or anything, but proves nothing. I don't know, VS. Kind of sounds like what a guy who blew his accounts would say. Sounds like a guy that's not in the competition anymore. Like, if I was that guy, would I say that? Probably. VS, are you a little salty right now, Salty? Are you? Victoria's Secret, are you salty? He's gonna come in and be like, he's gonna come in and say something all fucking macho, trying to show everybody how big his wiener is. Yeah, you guys thought you were the only ones that could rage bait, huh? Never joining it off principle alone. Yeah. As soon as I blow up, I'm going to say the same thing. As soon as my Grand Cup account is out, I'm fucking saying the same shit. Believe that. Believe that. All right. Well, it's 10:34 here, boys and girls. I don't know. You know, it's starting to think like, even if we do like hypothetically displace down, let's say like in the next couple of minutes for whatever reason, I'm like, I don't even know if I would want to take it. I would absolutely second guess it. Because I mean, at this point, it feels almost like, it almost feels like the more likely scenario might be this hourly candle will close kind of in a range, right? And the next hour will open up and we'll see us trade either up to the hourly high and then back down into this hourly gap, or obviously vice versa could be a possibility as well. But obviously, yeah, I would still like to see us get some distribution lower. It's interesting because if you look at, I'll show you guys the 15-minute right now. Okay. The 15-minute right now, here's NQ, right? Here is NASDAQ. Look at YM right now. I mean, YM looks like it's about to die. Does it not? And ES and NQ are just chilling up here. Yes, cover dweller, it is. Always treating these competitions as casino and just gamble at LMAO. I mean, yeah, that's what a lot of people are doing, but you know, it's all calculated risk, right? Calculated risk. You got to pick your shots. Swing hard. Swing fast. Swing hard and fast, boys. Just like, never mind. Can we watch some more GIFs? That's funny. How many GIFs do you think I got? How many GIFs you got? A lot. I got some GIFs here. I should get some new ones though. My problem is I get some new ones and then I immediately spam all of them like 20 times and then they get old. Yeah, it's really just about patience this morning. Yeah, we deleted. I haven't even replaced Hawk Tuagor yet. The slot is just open. It's just a bare, it's just an empty slot. But yeah, ever since we've gotten rid of her, things have been better. I'll say that. Things have been a lot better since we got rid of her. I can't even. I mean, now I know how everybody who bought her meme coin felt. Immediately rugged. I mean, I think everybody. Honestly, though, if somebody bought her meme coin, yeah, you just not. It's kind of like natural selection, right? It's just like kind of deserve to get rug pulled. Brad, that is not true, Brad. She is not my savior. ICT is my savior. After Jesus Christ. I feel like if I don't say that, bad voodoo is headed my way. I'm not superstitious, but I'm a little stitious. Tom, she won us 0 trades, Tom. Every time we played her, it was always after like we hit our break even point, and it was instant like let's retrace back to break even every time. So yeah, no, she had to go. She had to fucking go. Well, boys, what are we thinking NQ's gonna do here? I mean, ES is starting to sell, it looks like. YM still looks like it's gonna die. It's like if we get displacement down here, can we trust it? Or is it going to be inducement to absolutely wreck our day? Is the question. I still like shorts, though. I would love to obviously catch a short if we can get it. But obviously nobody wants to be in this bullshit. Here's ES, YM, and Kizzle. Taken in. See, when you say stuff like that, it's just like that's kind of like my validation. it's like a validation to trust it. Or is my brain broken? Oops. The 5 on my keyboard is a little bit. I gotta really push it. I must have. My keyboard must be a little sticky there. Why? I wonder why. Nah, I'm just kidding. JKLOL. Check gold, bro. I am watching from India. Well, since you're watching from India, I'm not only going to not check gold, but it's going all the way to the bottom of my watch list, so I don't check it on accident. Well, ES is trading into the 15-minute fair value gap. Bullish gap here. NQ is literally fucking hanging on for dear life to this gap. New 15-minute candle in 4 minutes. Oh, why are you bearish? I don't know if you guys are fucking with me when you ask that or if you're actually being serious. What do I got against Indians, bro? I got really nothing against them necessarily. They do tend to annoy me in the live chat though, so it's just like kind of become a thing, you know? Watch Oliveira documentary. What is that? You talk about the UFC fighter Oliveira? Oh, I don't know who that is. Yeah, man, we still have not inversed this gap. I'm not engaging with it yet. I hope it doesn't just rip lower. That would suck, Wiener. Obviously. But, yeah. Yeah, dude, Dow's cooking lower. I don't know. It inverse, bro. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. If it sells here, I'm gonna be so pissed if I didn't take it. This is my break even. Oops. New 15-minute is incoming. I'm targeting opening prices down here. 8:30, 9:30 open. I'll probably just manually close. But I also want to see, like, obviously ES flip it. ES is probably going to beat NQ to the lows here, so. New 15-minute just opened up. I was gonna say, if NQ goes higher while everything else sells off, NQ's got like retard strength right now. All I know is this fair value gap, I think we used it as support like, what, 4 4 times here. 5 times maybe. Now that we flipped it, it's like, show us that same resistance. Flip this thing over and dump it, bro. Dump it. Yeah, macro is incoming shortly. Am I moving Grand Cup? Yeah, I got everything copy traded. I got one mini on these lightning funded accounts and 2 minis on the Grand Cup. Ah. Macro incoming? No. If anyone asks me what my target is, I'm going to shut my fucking screen off and trade blindly and just... Here's what you should do. There you go. I'm break even. Here's what you should do. You should manage your trade how you want to manage your trade. Like some people are getting out fully right here. Partial if you want. Do what you would like to do. All right? Can you do that? I'm going to see if we can get a drive down here. I'm watching ES closely. ES is about to flip the opening range structure, so we'll have SMT at the lows. Would like to see NQ at least get down in here, though, before flattening. Ideally. Come on, little buddy. One more drive would be fantastic, bro. There we go. All right, guys, I'm going to go fully out there. ES just ripped through the opening range lows. So we have SMT here now. Nice trade. Still like to see the distribution lower on the higher time frame, but could retrace here potentially. There we go. All right, so copy traded on the, like I said, the 5 lightning fundeds, $1,100, and then Grand Cup $2,300. Who just became a member? Tyler? Oh, well, welcome, Tyler. Welcome. So nice trade there, boys and girls. 2 trades today. 1 break even on the shorts earlier, and then obviously just caught that. So that was good. The only problem you're going to have is that you didn't buy more, right, boys?
And believe me, Kevin, the only problem you're going to have is that you didn't buy more. Sound fair enough?
That's always the problem on a winning trade, right? There's 8:30 open. Not too shabby, boys. Not too shabby. Here's the executions. So break even here. Short here. Caught about, well, my entry was 622.5, exit 564.25. Screenshot or it didn't happen, right? I don't know why the long and short tool is not working. It's kind of bugging me. It's messing up my screenshot game, you know? Copy image. So Grand Cup balance is now at 58.9. 8,900 profit. Yo, for those of you guys that actually, I guess I didn't even think of that. Who on here trades or uses Trade Syncer? Where do they get that like cool little shareable graphic thing? You guys know what I'm talking about? Where like your daily P&L, it shows like all of it, whatever, in one spot. Anybody know where you find that? Can anyone help? Can anybody help a brother out? Technologically challenged over here. Great for marketing. It looks great. It looks fucking fantastic. It looks so cool. I'm jealous every time I see someone post it. I'm like, man, that looks so dope. All right, Reflex. Reflex this timeout. Nobody used Tradecopia ever. That's what I mean. You're gonna come here and spam shits. It's like, yeah, it makes me never want to fucking associate myself with whatever it is ever again. Dude, El Grande, come on, man. Are we gonna start this already? It's always something, ain't it? It's just like, you get break even, you're an idiot. You get stopped out, you're an idiot. You take your profit and it goes farther without you, you're an idiot. If you didn't take your profit and it comes back and you're break even, you're an idiot. It's just like, bruh. Tyler, why didn't you fucking cure cancer? Tyler, why didn't you solve the national debt crisis? Tyler, why don't you make housing affordable? Tyler, why don't you get rid of all the illegal aliens yourself? Tyler, why don't you tell us what every single 1 minute candle is going to do exactly as it happens? Tyler, why don't you tell me the winning Powerball numbers? Tyler, Tyler, why don't you stop giving money to Israel? Tyler, why don't you stop giving 10 trillion to Israel? Oh my goodness. What's up, Nika? Can anyone help me with this? Yo, somebody. Where do I find the goods? Where do I find the marketing material? I should know this, but I don't. It's my first day. Where do I find the marketing material? Anywhere? Anyone? Dashboard. Apparently my P&L's $4. Daily? They say right. Where's today? Anyone? Give away my Apex accounts? What? Why didn't I give away 100 accounts today? Passed your first eval. Congrats. Anybody? No. I have to sync today. Auto sync all. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, no. It's that damn dark mode, I bet. All right, maybe I'll figure it out later, I guess. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about, though? I'm looking for that cool little fucking... That cool little profit screenshot. Where the heck they've put... Where do they hide that thing? Why is it so hard to find? Why is autosync not working? Oh, man. Whatever. Yeah, we still got 1 minute left here till the end of the hour. Oddly enough, that literally, the impulse that we caught was like right as macro was starting. Oh, God. Go to copy trading, then cockpit. Take me to the cockpit. And then click the camera icon. Okay, go to copy trading, then cockpit. Copy trading, cockpit. Click the camera icon. The camera icon. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm gonna fucking come. Can't paste. Aw. What? Ooh, about to come, ooh. Oh, it's about to come, ooh. At least the song's low-key banging. Come on now. Ooh, it's about to come, ooh. I think I found it. All right, thank you, Absolute Go. Appreciate that. Have I seen any bugs? I have. This is my first day trading it, Arslin. I have not. Wow, Jesus. Who's still holding runners to London? Maybe I could have partialed on the... I only had one mini on, so I kind of had to pull in full out. But otherwise, I had two minis on the Grand Cup. Maybe could have left one running, but... I ain't going to be mad about it. But no, yeah, this is my first day using Arslan, so I'll keep you updated if I see any bugs. So far, so good. I mean, no complaints as of yet. So... yeah. The ratio worked good. Yeah, well, El Grande, it's easy to say I told you when you have the benefit of a hindsight, isn't it? You would say, if you said close and it went back here, you'd have said I told you as well. So, like, what's the difference? I always know when it's going to go into there because I've got a crystal ball. honestly, what would be kind of fire, it would be us to generate more sell side. I'm giving you shit, by the way, El Grande. I come in peace. I know you're a loyal member of the channel, so don't take offense. But yeah, what would be kind of fire would be, honestly, if we generated some more sell side above London low, and then we retraced again into this 5 minute and 15. And maybe I would slap another Grand Cup entry on that if we got such a thing later on. I think I'm going to be good for the morning, though, now. I'm going to give it a little bit of time to reset and chill out here. But yeah, this would be cool. This would be sick if something like this were to take place. Dude, we could literally retire our bloodlines if this happens, boys. If your mom has a job after this trade, you're fucking up. I'm telling you. That's gonna run you at least 150Ks. Fuck. God dang, guys are charging more than the freaking government. Jeez Louise. Jeez. Oops. Well, shoot, boys. Yeah. Good job today. Congrats to anybody that took the short. Let's do a little P&L check, shall we? Remember, the chat was overall bullish today, so all right. Hey, listen. RIP to the Bulls, am I right? Woo-hoo-hoo! Come on! Listen, if you were bullish today...
Stop it. Get some help.
Seriously. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on now. No, I don't think any P&L check is needed. Let's look at the team rankings though. Let's see where everyone's at after we got a little something now. Number 14. All right, so I climbed up. I'm like a hair under Nadav. Man, I was in the top 10 for like all of 5 seconds. $359. All right, we're in the top 400. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Eating ass and I'm homebound. Da 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 da. Oh, Lord help me. Oh, God. London low. London low. Sheesh. So can I post my screenshot? Nika, I swear to God, Nika, if your entry's up here, you owe me a giveaway account, Nika. You owe me a giveaway account if you post screenshot entries up here. But yeah, post it. I want to see it. I want to see it, Nika. I want to see with my own. I want to see that. I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it. We all know the kind of trade you took. We all know. Man, that looks kind of stupid. Walking fast and I'm homebound. I'll redo it. All right, boys. Hey, listen. Good day today. Hope you guys are green for the most part. And as far as tomorrow goes, I mean, I might take more trades later today. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. So if you guys are not in the Discord, feel free to hop in there. Otherwise, I'll keep you guys updated on X as well. Tomorrow is a bank holiday, so I just kind of feel like it's a good day to maybe avoid. In all honesty, I just don't think it'll be that great if you are trading it. Just, you know, if it's choppy, maybe just be quick to remove yourself from the charts if it's just not giving you what you want. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. So yeah, man, good day today. Great way to start the week. Happy Monday, boys and girls. Go Pack Go tonight. Forgot to even mention that. Go Pack Go, of course, naturally. Otherwise, yeah, man, appreciate you guys. Hit the like button before you go. If you want to get fun with Tradeify, code Tyler. If you want to get a discount for any copy trader, code Tyler as well. Code Tyler wherever you buy shit, I guess, actually, now that I think about it. But so, hey, man, appreciate you. Enjoy your Monday, everybody. We'll see you back here, if nothing else, Wednesday morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you later on.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing shots on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.